Alright, it's time to do the last recipe for today, and that is it. This time, we're reacting to we're going to be listening to Sensor Soldier Bulletproof. And of course, I have to bring back the Music Monday because I haven't done this one for a while. But this is going to be the last one. This is going to be the last day for June because I know it's going to be in for men mental health awareness month, and and also LGBTQ communities. But don't worry, it's still around for the LGBTQ communities every month, so that doesn't matter anyway. So yeah, but also throughout, I know I have so much experience of mental health that I've been through, and even though I try to make myself feel better, of course, because I know there's a lot of the people that want to make me feel better because you never understand what I've been going through a lot, and I try so very hard to figure it out what's going on, and the only thing is I don't know. And even though I did travel throughout for the first time, it made me more happy because of it. I mean, yeah, I get nervous because of it, and I mean, I don't know how, but at least I enjoy it so far. And hopefully that I don't know. But hey, at least I have a good time since then. But tomorrow could be better on July, because I'll talk about that for tomorrow later on. So yeah, but right now let's listen to it in 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh, by the way, one more thing. I want to ask y'all: does pain really make you strong? That's on the videos, but I don't know. I don't know if the pain would make me strong, but if it could, then I don't know. But let's listen to it.
makes you strong, why do I feel so weak? If pain makes you strong, why won't it work for me? If pain makes you strong after what I've been through, if pain makes you strong, I should be bulletproof.
Now, I have to say, it's a lot of things that you can't, you know, you let the pain hold for as long as you know, still around, of course, and somehow when you talk about, being superhuman or immortal or anything that that you try to fight through the pain and stuff, but pain make you even more stronger and have some of the experience of taking like a massive like bumps and or or anything that's like happening to you, because I don't know if it does help or not, but it only hurt yourself. It only hurted yourself because the anxiety, depression, PTSD, or anything, it'll never go away because we never learn how to like deal with any that's like happens to you, and and I hate what I hate when people said you'll be fine, just get over it, move on. It's like it's like they never care. They never like understand anything what's been going on from any scars and pain throughout for quite sometimes. And the only thing that, like I said, there are like heartless bastards out there that don't even care about any of the mental illness people that's been going through some very hard time, and that's the that's the only problem about it, because you feel you feel like you're gonna be like a piece of shit throughout. I don't know, like, but I know there's a lot of positive people out there that actually really care. So yeah, so it's a lot of things to it, from every man's mental health out there that been going through some very very longest time. And I know there's a lot of people that never cares about men's mental health awareness month, because I don't know, but I know there's a lot of people do. They do really care, because they always gonna be by your side, be like, hey, let's talk together and find out what's been going on and stuff like that. That's what people wanted. That's how I wanted to, it's a lot of things to it. So I thought it might help for sooner or later. I mean, you understand because of it. So yeah, I just like I said, I just wish from every positive people out there that really cares about any mental health, including men. I mean, I know women have most of it, but the men they had like worse to it because of the. I just wish it might. I just wish there were like more positive people out there that really cares about it. And I really cares, you gotta prove it. Like really prove it. You know. So yeah. But but yeah, man. Let me know what you think about Sentences and Soldiers, Bulletproof. And that's gonna be it for right about now. This is probably gonna be the end of June. You know, I'm glad that this summer. I'm glad I have a good time. You know, in this summer. But it's not over yet for on July because it's gonna get some more fun to it if that if it happens. So yeah. But thank y'all so much for y'all very good support, and hopefully I might do some vlogs if I can. Well, I'll probably edit it if I can. I don't know how long, but you'll see. But yeah, man. That's it for now. I'm so glad to be back, but don't worry, I might be back for 4th of July. Well, I'll probably come back a little bit for tomorrow, just for a little bit, and I might come back on 4th of July once again. So yeah, but yeah, I'm so glad I have a good time. So yeah, but I think that's it for now. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, new here, click the bell notification down below, and I will see y'all on July. And yeah, man, just Tyler sign out. Bye. And also, happy Pride Month and Men's Mental Health. Men's Mental Health Awareness Month. And yeah, see y'all next time, man.